Alright, this is a job we did last summer. This is right after I got my drone. I might have had it a couple weeks. You can tell some of my flying's kind of choppy still. I was just really getting practice and really hadn't intended on even putting this video out. Just going over some footage I had stored on my computer. This is a great tract of wood. Real young plantation, but the wood grew real big. I think it was planted in like '88, but we clear cut this whole thing. It was over 300 acres of planted wood. There you can see the cut machine way back off in there. I believe that's the line to the left. He's just following that taller stuff. You can see over here on the side to the left, this other plantation growing. It's really neat to look from, way up high, looking down at these trees and how straight they're planted. I know most people don't think about timber this way, but this guy considers himself a farmer of trees, and I mean that's pretty much what they do. Just like you plant corn or anything else, it grows till it's mature, and then they cut it. And, instead of having a crop, like you can eat with the trees, I mean, it goes for so many things. Build houses, paper, all kind of other uses for timber. But it is a process. They plant them, come in here and clear cut them after so many years, and then this guy that we took this tract for, he planned on going in and replant it all. He probably won't ever see it cut again. Kids and grandkids will have something to look forward to. You see how these drags of wood in here. Cut these plantations, a cut machine really can just walk through these things. I'm not sure why these piles are turned on backwards, but I was always taught that was a no-no. But anyhow, I don't know. Something's turned on backwards. This skidder just got to grab and make a big loop around with them. Yeah, you can see though, there's a lot of wood on the ground on this plantation. There's a deer stand right there. That guy, he hadn't been able to see a lot the last couple of years, but he'll have pretty good distance he can see this year. Alright, yeah, we're going to ease back over here towards where the set is. I'm telling you, you watch how that we're set up right there with the track loader. There's so much more you can do with that track loader, just moving around. And a lot of times you got so many sorts now that it's really hard to get all that around one pull-through delimber. So the track loader kind of lets you be able to move around and restack some stuff out of the way. And it's really so much more versatile. I know it's a lot more money, but it still really enhances what you're able to do. Yeah, I'm just kind of flying around here. Like I said at the first, I just got this thing trying to figure out how it all works, and I might have got lost a time or two where I was at. But just trying to get a good aerial of this track. You watch this skidder here. That's 632 Tiger Cat, man. That thing's a beast. Probably didn't look like it from this picture, but that thing's pulling a lot of wood. Normally when you run the track loader, you put all that in a straight line, but you can see the size of the timber there kind of on somebody else right on the corner, kind of having to cross. We didn't have much room. So we're setting the tops over there on the other side, kind of out of the way. Keep all the logs right there close. And he's almost got me loaded, so that was all in this video anyhow. Like I said, it's kind of rough me flying, but this is one of the first videos I made.